Hi, this is Nat Bender with United Teachers of Dade with another crash course in distance learning. I'm here at home working with my dog Nina, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of the U.S. Census and to identify educator resources in the census to use in the classroom, to use online, and to encourage participation in the census. If you go to 2020census.gov, you'll find an educators button with the Statistics in Schools program. And there's a variety of different lessons on a number of different topics: geography, history / social studies, math, sociology, English, and there's a section for ELL, ESL learners. So here's a section on commuting to work. This would be for high school students. In the English section, there are lessons around famous novels, information about writing, including how the U.S. government classifies race and ethnicity. And so you can see there's some stimulating activities that can be accessed through the census site for your classroom. And there's also just short warm-up activities. So for example, National Pet Day. You can ask your students to teach students about different careers in the veterinary and animal care fields. Students will have the opportunity to learn about the number of establishments and paid employees and answer questions about their potential job interests. School lunches, plans for highways, support for firefighters and families in need. This is why we need to complete the census. We want you to be able to not only to get the facts, to share the information with your students, and to help the data from the census come alive. Nina and I hope you enjoy this crash course in distance learning brought to you by United Teachers of Dade.